just cleaning up the gib after I glued Turkite on it. I use this is a mound tool scraper actually that I kind of like made into a chisel. And right now it's still stuck to the bar that I used to glue it down. So I'm going to try and knock that off of there. Well, I might be able to get this. So that's pretty clean. That's cut. So I will I need to get this off of there. So there it is. And what I'll do is I'll do some stoning, some filing, clean this up a little bit. Then I'll put it up on my grinder and do one pass, or grind it until I get the whole thing cleaned up, and then I'll stick it in the column and the knee. So here I'm just making I'm just doing a minimal cleanup. I want to clean up this whole surface here. And right now there's one spot that is low. It's right in the middle, which I don't care about because the middle of this is going to be relieved. I only want this gib to be touching on both ends. Here's what I got, and I marked this whole thing up. So right there in the center it didn't clean up, but the whole thing cleaned up. And this is the same setup that I used to grind 30 thou off of this gib before I glued the Turkite on. So now I'm going to pause the video and I'll try and set it up in the on the column and the knee, and I'll see how this pause button works. So here is the first install into the column and the knee, and it's sticking out about 3/4 of an inch. So I know I can take probably 10 thou off of this gib, but I'll take 5 off. I'll put it back up on my surface grinder, take 5 thou more, and then I'll start taking it off. I could probably figure out how much I need exactly, but that's what I got right now. So I took 5 thou off, and I've got about 5/16 sticking out now. So I'm going to take another 3, and I'm going to relieve the center of it. And I relieved the center of this gib 3 or 4 thou, so I'll do that with the grinder as well, so there's a lot less scraping to do. Once I get this done, I'll be putting the oil grooves in the gib. So I took 3 thou more off the gib. So now I'm just going to go in here and I'm going to relieve the center of this gib. So I'm fed that down 4 thou. the reason you relieve the center of the gib is because what happens is the ends wear, and then you get a rocking chair effect. You just want that gib to be contacting on the ends only. So there we go. This is going to fit real nice. Then I'll do some flaking, scraping on it for final fit. So here it is after grinding another 3 thou and relieving the center. It's sticking out about 30 thou probably. So what I'll do at this point is I'll scrape it in, I'll fit it to this, scrape it, and then put the oil grooves in. But that's pretty much the process, final steps of doing the gib. So it looks real good. Thanks for watching.